Okay, so just a real quick video on the Yakima SKS Lock Cores and how to install them. So really quick, we have a ridgeline cover here with the factory installed plastic plug. First thing you'll need to do is to remove that plug, and if you have some sort of hook pick, smaller the better, you can just simply insert that into here, hook the plug, pull outward, pops right up. Take your lock pack, open her up, set of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull out the cardboard insert, and what you have here is your instruction sheet. So it shows that you have the control key, core, and locking keys, which we have here. So the 4 cores, underneath here is an insert with keys. We've got 3 keys, 2 of which have teeth. Those are going to be the keys that actually lock the cylinder. And here you have one that has essentially no teeth. This is a control key. This is if you want to remove a cylinder once it's installed. You have to have this. So the lock needs to be both in the unlock position, and you have to have this control key to remove it. But to install it, you can do it with either one. We like to use just the regular key, because once it's installed, you can just go ahead and lock it. So if you notice here, this cylinder will have a little knob here, and that is going to correspond with a hole or a divot inside the cover. If you can see that. There we go, that divot there. No, little piece here, so that's going to match up there. Real quick before I insert this, stamped along the side of the core is your key code. It's very important to jot that down in this information provided. Better yet, do that, take a picture, email it to yourself so you can archive it, so if you ever need to find that number, it's easily available, because once this is installed, there's no way to tell what key number you need. So if you need replacement keys, you'll have to go to a dealer that has every single one of Yakima's keys, and then you'll have to sit there and go through each key one by one to see what works. So I recommend take a picture, email it to yourself, archive it, and be better off that way. But besides that, yeah, register your number, and it's another way that Yakima can help keep track of your key code. So back to the cores. Again, we match up the core insert with the core insert. That's it. Then it comes right out. Or insert the cover and lock it. Super easy, super useful. Not too expensive. Come in quantities of 2, 4, 6, and 8, and you can order more matching ones down the road. So if you want to key match other products, you can do so and make life a lot easier. So quick video on the Yakima SKS Lock Cores. Subscribe for more install videos, content videos, and just random stuff we do. So subscribe or visit our website, and thanks for watching.